In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text vertical in Webflow. Let's dive right in and get started effortlessly transforming your text layout without spending more than a few minutes. To begin, make sure you're logged into Webflow. Open up your preferred browser and input your credentials to access your Webflow account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Webflow dashboard. This is your command center for everything Webflow, presenting a collection of all your existing projects. With a quick scan, identify the specific project you wish to edit today. Once you've found it, click to open it in the Webflow Designer, setting the stage for our next creative move. Now, over on the left side of the Webflow Designer, you'll notice the plus button, which opens the Add panel. Click on it. This panel is your toolkit for adding elements to your project, from sections to components. Today, we're going to focus on adding a text block, so go ahead and select that option. This text block will soon showcase your vertically styled text. Next, shift your attention to the right sidebar, which is bustling with options and settings. Here, under the Style selector, we'll start forming the identity of our text block. Type in vertical text to initiate a fresh style class. Doing this allows you to easily manage and modify your vertical text properties later on if needed. The magic happens when we delve into custom properties, which you'll find if you scroll further down the sidebar. This feature is a key player in enabling personalized styling in Webflow. Here, type in writing mode and set its value to TBRL. This CSS property adjusts the text layout from horizontal to vertical, flipping the script, quite literally, to show your text in columns from top to bottom. Instantly, you should see your text realign vertically within your design space. A simple but significant change that can bring a fresh dynamic to your layout. However, if you're aiming for a bit more flair and want to rotate that vertical text, we're only a step away. In the same Custom Properties section, add another entry. Type Transform and assign it the value Rotate 180 degrees. This transformative tweak flips your text upside down while keeping it vertically aligned, presenting an engaging, eye-catching effect. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully learned how to vertically align and even flip your text in Webflow, a skill that can enhance your web designs and open up new avenues